Look, on one occasion, Allah Azza wa Jal is calling us Sami'an Basira. Allah Azza wa Jal is saying that we also hear, we also see. And Allah Azza wa Jal also about himself says, Laysa kamitlihi shay wa huwa as-Sami' al-Basir. So these two names have been given to Allah Azza wa Jal has given himself these two names, As-Sami' al-Basir. But there's a world of difference between these two. It's only the only common factor between the names is that you know that they both are spelt the same way. Sami'an Basira, when you say Sami' has seen meme ya ain. Similarly, when you say Laysa kamithlihi shay'un wa huwa as-Sami'ul Basir, that Samir also has seen meme ya ain. That's about it. There's nothing more than that that can become or that can be considered common. Everything else is, absolutely, completely poles apart or different. So we are not going to say that, okay, when you are saying that Allah Azza wa Jal also hears, so you are, in other words, trying to imply that Allah Azza wa Jal also has ears. No. Look, we are not saying no in order to say Allah Azza wa Jal does not have ears. We are not saying that either. Remember this. Understand this clearly. We are not saying when someone says, okay, you're trying to say that Allah Azza wa Jal also hears, therefore Allah Azza wa Jal must also have 2 ears, or maybe more, or maybe less. No. We want to put a full stop here. We want to say that just say Allah Azza wa Jal hears. That's it. Whether he has ears or he doesn't have ears is something Allah Azza wa Jal has not mentioned at all. So why are we unnecessarily going to get into something that you and I don't know? For instance, a layman's analogy again, if you are talking about a human being, someone who's your colleague, someone who's your friend, or maybe a relative, and you say that, I think that gentleman has got a problem in his kidney, or that gentleman has, an extra this, or that gentleman has an extra job, or whatever you want to say about someone, and if that someone that you're talking about does not have what you're accusing him of, whether it is good or bad, I'm not talking about that. Like, you are trying to say that that person has this and that person doesn't have it. Imagine his reaction. He's going to come lambasting you. How come you say, something like that about me? How did you conclude that I have this and I don't have that? How could you? So we human beings can feel so upset about something that we ourselves either possess or don't possess, and someone accuses of us of that. Imagine Allah Azza wa Jal. Allah Azza wa Jal is not saying that Allah Azza wa Jal has got 1 ear, 2 ears, three. Not at all. Allah Azza wa Jal just put a full stop saying, Inna Allah kana sami'an basira. Wallahu huwa sami'ul basir. Inna Allah sami'un basir. That's about it. Put a full stop is what we are saying. That's what the meaning of the entire rule is. That we negate only what Allah Azza wa Jal has negated in the Quran or through the tongue of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Nothing doing further than that. Of course, there is that condition that I said, and as I also mentioned that I'm going to talk about that condition. That condition is coming now. What did we say? Ma'atiqadi thubuti kamali ضده lillahi ta'ala. We believe when we negate something, remember this clearly, listen to this carefully. When we negate something, we are not just plainly negating it. In the case of Allah Azza wa Jal, what also is important or inevitable is that when you negate something, you must ascertain, you must affirm, rather you must affirm the opposite and the top-notch quality of the opposite to be true with regard to Allah Azza wa Jal. I'll explain that inshallah ta'ala with an example or two, inshallah. So let me repeat what I said. We are going to negate only what Allah Azza wa Jal has negated. However, our conviction, our faith system, our iman demands from us that while we negate something about Allah Azza wa Jal, that Allah Azza wa Jal himself has negated, we believe in the exact opposite of it. not just the opposite, we also believe in the perfection of that opposite characteristic or the opposite, attribute. That's the most important thing.